'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes.